Hello, mid-century modern and do-it-yourself enthusiasts, and welcome to my executive ranch. If you recall, in our last video, I showed you this chair that I got from next to a garbage can, and I would like to recover it and put it, and maybe paint it, I'll paint the legs, and put it in my living room to replace the not very attractive rocking chair that I have. I said that I would come up with some possibilities for recovering it, and I found some really cool images. Here's one that's pretty simple, just painted white with gray upholstery. But then I found these other very interesting images of floral pattern chairs, and I don't think I would do anything this crazy, but I really liked the black legs or the black wood details on this one, and so I think I'm going to spray paint or paint the legs and the exposed wooden part black, and then do the main body of the chair in some kind of interesting colored fabric. Maybe not as wild as this, but you get the idea. So anyway, that's what we've got going on there. I'm just going to kind of scroll through and show you some of the chairs that were on this really nice Pinterest site. And yeah, just to recap, I'm going to zoom over and show you the space that I'm filling, which is right here. I'm going to replace the homely rocker, which is not really homely. It's actually a really cool mid-century modern rocker, but it's one of those mid-century yellow colors. And this is the kind of design that I'm going for. This isn't a great photo, but I wanted sort of a Hollywood Regency look that would match up with my my house is so messy, that would match my white and gray and pink marble fireplace. You can't really fight a white and gray and pink marble fireplace, but you can modify your furniture to match it up. Anyway, thanks for watching, and at some point I'll put up another video showing how I'm coming along. Thanks, bye.